Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable Google Chat and Meet in Gmail on web. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser and then select mo lang tong Gmail. So dito sa ating Gmail account, dito lang sa upper right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-select tong settings. So click mo lang siya. And then next dito sa quick settings and then kailangan mo lang select tong see all settings. So dito sa see all settings, dito lang sa general, under nito ay makikita mo dito yung chat and meet. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa chat and meet ay makikita mo dito yung settings niya kung paano ba mag-enable or disable. So kailangan mo lang select tong Google Chat. So i-select lang natin yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong save changes. Alright? And then mayroon tayong notifications na post mobile notifications while you're using this device. To post chat mobile notifications while you're active on this device, allow your browser to detect if you're active or away. So click continue, then allow when prompted by your browser. So pwede mo itong i-click to continue and then click mo lang tong allow. Right? Kung paano ba natin yan i-turn off or disable natin. So same procedure, click mo lang tong settings and then select mo lang tong see all settings. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select tong chat and meet. And then kailangan mo lang select tong off and then click mo lang tong save changes. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano mag-enable or disable ang Google Chat and Meet in Gmail. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.